Green Beret.
Give me a 0. Oh shit. That's not stopping.
Then stopped abruptly in the intersection of Pyramid Highway and McCarran Boulevard on a green light and quickly exited the car.
I'm at Dahlia, checking it out. I'm at Dahlia, checking it out.
Got one at gunpoint. Stop! Shots fired. Shots fired. You good? Stop right there. Stop right there.
Shots fired, pack 1.
Hey, you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do a tactical reload.
Yeah, all right. I shot 2 rounds.
Okay. Wait. Let me reload first.
All right, you're good. Go.
Okay, go. You're good.
3 1 around. Where they at? Pyramid and McCarran.
Okay.
Pyramid,
Pyramid McCarran on northbound turn lane. A firm.
It's on.
Get her feet. Yeah, what you want me to do with them? Just lay them down. All right. No. What's your name?
Put a tourniquet on that? Yeah.
Don't move, okay? We got medics coming.
All right. Get it on.
Okay.
That's that seal?
No, I don't have any tourniquets.
Yeah. We're good.
So, yeah, we just stopped. How'd this happen?
Oh, shit. Lose anything?
101, I'm at Dahlia, checking it out.
Shots fired. Shots fired. You good? Stop right
Yeah, we're good. Hey, you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do a tactical reload.
Yeah, all right. I shot 2 rounds.
Okay.
I'm gonna reload too.
Wait. Let me reload first.
All right, you're good. Go. Let me know when I'm good.
You're good.
All right.
She got hit right in the chest. Get this off.
Get a chest seal going. Start cutting this. Adrian, start cutting that sleeve off.
Hey, am I doing this right, Brad?
Yep, get as high up as you can, high and tight.
I'm trying.
Higher.
Higher? Here you go, Brad.
The suspect was identified as 47-year-old Sparks resident Ginger Kruvak. The investigation revealed she was in possession of a black, long-barreled paintball gun during the time of the incident.